Season 2, Virtual Edition.
Hey everybody, Mr. Mac here. It is October 3rd, 2020. I just finished mowing my lawn and I thought, hey, this is a perfect time to do a little MacNews video. So here we are. Earlier in the week, I did film this early morning fishing video. Me, Miller School Lake, fog, cool morning, no fish, but it was perfect. Tranquil, peaceful. Unlike the last time I did some filming at the Miller School Lake.
If you're not going to help me, then get out of my way.
Yeah, that was episode 7 from last season, so if you want to see the whole thing, you should definitely check it out. But I want to talk about how this podcast right here from Hidden Brain got me thinking about being in nature and the positive effects. So this one's called Our Better Nature, How the Great Outdoors Can Improve Your Life. And it's just a 25-minute podcast. I'll link it in the description in the video. But it's about how this psychologist, main quote, was fascinated with the negative effects and the negative impacts of urban environments, crowding, noise, violence, etc. But she started to see a positive effect of those people who were in nature. And I think we know this, right? We know being out in nature kind of boosts our happiness. But anyway, this is an interesting podcast about the physiological and psychological benefits of being in nature. So I thought maybe we would share on this Padlet, what do you do to boost your physical happiness, your mental happiness by going out into nature? You go camping, you go fishing, you go for walks in the woods, you play disc golf. What is it you do? Go ahead and post it on the Padlet and we'll share and we'll see what everybody's doing. All right, so let's talk about the schedule. Let's not talk about the schedule. You guys know what's going on with it. You can check the stream, see what the schedule is for the week, and prepare if you need to. Geometry people, you're going to need one of these compasses coming up in the next week or so, so please get that. And yeah, I'll post that here on the stream for Google Classroom. But I would say, I think you guys see the structure of the class, you see how it works, and I would say, we're in a virtual environment here. I'm doing my best to teach in my space, in my basement right here, and you guys in your place. But there are a lot of little checks here. Do you understand what you're learning through the practice, through the quizzes that I give you? If you see that things aren't really working or you're not really getting it, you're not really doing that well on the quizzes, you got to change something, you got to do something, okay? You got to reach out to me. You got to come to my help session, my office hours, so that we can work through these things. I'm posting the video solutions. I'm available to you for extra help. But it's really on you to take advantage of that, okay? So, we're coming up to 4 weeks. We're way deep into this semester. You guys know what's happening. Yeah, so let's have a successful week. Enjoy your last day of the weekend, and I'll see you tomorrow. Mr. Mac out. Boom.